is Hamdi Mohamed. I am a community organizer and a policy advocate. I was recently named Washington State's South King County Organizing Director for the Biden-Harris campaign. I will be working really hard for the next 35 days on the Joe Biden and Harris campaign to ensure that we turn out as many voters as possible. We will be calling battleground states and making sure that voters there are participating, that they know where to vote, and the importance of voting for Joe Biden and Kamala Harris. Voting is important, and now more than ever, it is important for us to participate in the process. We are fighting to save our democracy. Now more than ever, we need true leadership. There have been over 200,000 Americans who have died from the coronavirus pandemic that we are in. It is important that we get out there and we fight back and we put a real leader in place to take care of the American people in this country. I am fighting for immigrants' rights. I am organizing for racial justice, for environmental issues, so the next generation of kids who are in the United States can have access to resources that we all need. So in Washington State, you can register to vote by online, or you can register to vote in person at the King County Elections Office. It is very simple. It just takes a few minutes to do it, and you're more than welcome to reach out to me, and I'd be happy to help you. We're here today helping out with Census Day for Action.
I'm the representative in this community. I represent this community in the state legislature. I just wanted to come out and support these efforts and say thank you for being here today, and thank you for the folks who made the donations, put the packages together.
What we're doing is obviously handing out these great supplies for folks, but also encouraging people to complete the census as soon as possible. It's really important.
When you're counted, it makes sure that resources are allocated to your community appropriately, and so it's important that we all are counted. That way we can get the resources that we need for transportation, healthcare, to get representation in Congress and in our government as well. If you haven't completed your census already, do complete it. Get on your computer today and fill out your census. And